Welcome to a new video. Today, this is not girl tag. It's like a off-brand capuchin. This is like gonna be like the next capuchin. But yeah, Jesus. Oh, also, this guy, he does not have a mic, but he is my editor. So yeah. I have not played this before. So I have no idea where anything is. I just downloaded it. Oh, there's shop. There's shop. Looks like everything's free. Look at me. Look at me. That's so funny. I'm gonna keep the Jamie curly face on. Okay. There's the music. Banana biscuits. Jeez. Okay. What the heck? What is this? No, I think this. I saw a video on this. I think this is the back rooms. Let's go explore other stuff before we go down there. We should go look. I saw a museum sign. Jungle. Let's go to the museum. Ice skating, go do that. Oh, let's do this first. Ha. I can't swim. Oh, no! I'm drowning! How do you swim? Jeez. It's so hard. Open the door. Open the door.
Open the door.
Stuck. No. I'm stuck. No. I'm stuck. Seriously. How do you get out? Oh, I see how you get out. I'm going. There we go. I'm out. Okay, we should go to the museum. Museum. What's in here? Ooh. Fan art, what the heck? He's not solid. First player model and first tree. 2021 and 2021. Nice. And then all those are fan arts. There we go over here now. We should go to the jungle. Burped. Oh, basketball. Let's do basketball first. Ooh, wait, there's a door here. There's actually basketballs. I'm gonna do a slam dunk. Oh, I missed. I messed up. No. Where is he? Where's the mic? Or not the he. I was talking about the basketball. Jeez. Slam dunk. Oh, I missed. Bow. Well, we're not leaving until I make one of these. No. It's like how I am in real life. I suck. Come on, get it. No, jeez. We're gonna make this. The basketballs are wonky. We should go to the jungle now. Jeez. We should go to the jungle now. I'm going to the jungle. It looks like you're slam dunking. Hey, I'm going to the jungle. In the jungle, the mighty jungle. Wait, I need to try the funny run. Love that. I'm gonna mute this. Jeez. branching montage. No, jeez. This sucks. I suck at branching. Wait, see if I can get up the map. Oh, wait, no. Okay. Okay. There's sand. What is this? It is sand, I think. Yeah. Trees, some sand, the board, and yeah. Okay. And let's go. We should go check out that tunnel. Oh, wait, slide. Let's see the slide. Then let's go see that tunnel or that vent that was in city. Whee! And we mow it. Oh, ha! Okay. Ha. Where's the shop? There's the shop. Okay, we have to go into that vent now to see what it is. There's a... I'm gonna wait for you because it's a black. Where is he? It's scary. So, hey, I'm right here. Hey. Where are you? Oh, there's this monkey TV. There's a black hole. Or not black hole, but it looks like a black hole. Look at that. It's pitch black. The back rooms. Let's see it this place.
Look, man. Look, what do I do?
Where'd he go? Let's go. I played the back rooms in a video. Wait, it's way too dark in here. Where'd he go? He's disappeared. That's way too dark. I ain't doing that. Oh yeah. I guess that's the end of the video. If you want to see the back rooms, that'll be another video. So yeah. See ya.